up, YouTube? It's your boy Rudy Ortiz, Cal Epoxy Pools, coming at you today again with another quick tip video on doing it yourself when it comes to swimming pools and epoxy pool paint restoration services. Today we're going to be talking about one of the most important pieces of the whole restoration process when it comes to resurfacing your swimming pool with epoxy or pretty much any other type of pool coating that is available out there, and that is the first step, which is going to be the acid wash part. So it is one of those things where it can be pretty intimidating for the do-it-yourselfer that has never done it before, where you apply more muriatic acid than you should, and then you end up with holes or craters in the bottom of your pool flooring, or if not, you end up with yellow stains that were never there before. And so it's one of those things here where you have to really know what you're doing. You have to know how to balance it all out, and if you don't know what you're doing, it can easily get out of hand. So this product here that I'm going to showcase to you guys today is actually the solution to all that. And this is a great product by Olympic Pool Paints. This is the Cal Technical Company out of Louisville, Kentucky, and this one is called Magic Prep, and it's going to show you guys basically how to apply it, what it's all about, and the reason why I think it's probably the best thing since the invention of the wheel. At least when it comes to resurfacing or restoring your swimming pools with epoxy, it is a great product that you definitely need to check out, and will definitely take away all the intimidation and all the fear of you burning holes in your flooring. So again, Magic Prep is the name of the product, and this is by the Olympic brand, Cal Technical Coatings. And stay tuned to this video, because as soon as it's over, I'm going to show you guys exactly where you can purchase it and give you guys a couple of links so you guys can check out. And I got some good exciting news that you guys will all benefit from. So stay tuned to watch this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel.
For me, what, work it. Drop that.
What's up, YouTube? So here we are, and we are basically doing the acid wash part of this swimming pool, which I've shown in other videos here before, but particularly with this one here today, we are using this awesome new product that we have been privileged to get a hold of. It is called Prep Magic, and that is by the Olympic Swimming Pool Paint Company, who also manufactures epoxy pool paint and epoxy pool paint primer. And they were able to send us a few of these guys to test them out. And guys, this is the business. I know that many of you will use muriatic acid. I do. That's all I would use in my other projects. But to be honest with you, this stuff is exactly what it says. It's preparation magic, and again, it's owned by the Olympic brand company, who is also Cal Technical Coatings. And for those of you who don't know Cal Technical Coatings is, Cal Technical Coatings is your OG original manufacturer of epoxy pool paint products and also epoxy primer. So we're in this pool here, and we already started using the product. Now it looks pretty grimy down below here. We get this container here, and we fill it up with water 3/4 of the way. Then we add some of this Prep Magic stuff. You're gonna want to go ahead and have a thick head brush like this one. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but. And then you want to have somebody else probably helping you out so that they can rinse out the product once we're done brushing it out. So those of you who have been wanting to learn how to do acid wash, let me show you guys what it looks like with a little bit of magic. Magic? No magic. And you can tell the difference. Magic? No magic. So there you have it, folks. That is the Magic Prep Solution and Etching product by Olympic Pool Paints. Again, owned by Cal Technical Coatings out of Louisville, Kentucky. And the news I was telling you guys about is actually pretty exciting. We're actually launching our own unique epoxy pool paint store online. And the cool features that you guys will be able to purchase all of the products you see on my videos, including this one here, and the other videos I've posted before, and those products that are sold by Olympic Pool Paint and the Olympic manufacturer company, Cal Technical Coatings. So again, if you guys are looking to purchase any of these items that I personally use and that I personally recommend, go ahead and check out my site, my shopping site, where you will find this one here as well, the Prep Magic, and you can find all of the products on www.SoCalEpoxyPoolPaintCoatings.com. And again, this is a site that was built for you guys so that you can find these products that I feature more easily, and in return you'll be helping me make some sales for some residual income as well. So I really do appreciate you guys' love, all the support you guys have provided for me over the years. Thanks to you, we just recently acquired our 500th subscriber. There you go, did I say that right? Our 500th subscriber, which enabled us to open up opportunities with regards to our YouTube channel. So if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel yet and you're watching this video for the first time, I ask that you please give us a like or just hit us with the subscription, so that way we can go ahead and continue to provide these videos for you guys and continue to give you guys the knowledge that you need to be able to restore and resurface your swimming pools and all of your epoxy pool paint resurfacing projects from this point forward. So thank you guys again for all your love, all your support. I hope these videos are helpful to you and you're able to get the information that you need to get these projects done yourself. Also, if you're in the SoCal area, I do offer services for epoxy pool paint restorations. So many of you are interested in possibly getting an estimate. Feel free to reach out to me, leave a comment below, or just message me direct. And other than that, thank you very much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Have a blessed day. Adios.